Good morning to you all. Today I wish to tell you the story of a freedom fighter Khudiram Bose. Khudiram Bose was one of the youngest freedom fighter of India whose bravery and sacrifice have inspired generations in the struggle for independence from British colonial rule. Khudiram Bose was born on 3rd December 1889 in a small village called Habibpur near Midnapur in West Bengal. He was the youngest son of Trilokinath Bose and Lakshmi Priya Devi. Khudiram was deeply influenced by the teaching of Swami Vivekananda and the nationalist sentiments in Bengal. From an early age, he showed a strong sense of patriotism and a desire to fight against the oppressive British regime. Khudiram became involved in revolutionary activities as teenager. At the age of 15, he joined the Ansulam Samiti, a revolutionary group, and that was dedicated to the cause of Indian independence through armed struggles. Under the mentorship of a prominent revolutionaries like Varinder Kumar Ghosh, Khudiram was trained in the use of firearms and explosives. One of the most significant events in Khudiram Bose's life was his involvement in Muzaffarpur conspiracy. The British magistrate of Muzaffarpur, Kingsford, was notorious for his harsh and unjust treatment of Indian nationalists. The Anusilam Samiti decided to assassinate Kingsford, and Khudiram Bose, along with another young revolutionary, Praful Chaki, was chosen for the task. On April 30, 1908, Khudiram and Praful waited outside the Kingsford's residence in Muzaffarpur. Mistaking a carriage for the Kingsford's, they threw a bomb at it. But tragically, the carriage carried the wife and daughter of the British barrister, and both were killed. Prafula Chaki managed to evade and capture, but later committed suicide to avoid arrest. Khudiram, however, was captured by the British police after a long chase. Khudiram was put on trial for the murder of the two women. Despite being only 18 years old, he accepted full responsibilities for the attack and showing no remorse for his action. His courage and steadfastness in the face of death made him a hero in the eyes of Indian public. On August 18, 1908, Khudiram Bose was hanged in the Muzaffarpur Central Jail. He was only 18 years, 8 months and 11 days old at the time of his executions, making him one of the youngest martyrs of the Indian freedom struggle. Khudiram Bose's sacrifice had a profound impact on the Indian independence movement. His bravery inspired many young Indians to join the fight against British rule. Even today, Khudiram is remembered as a symbol of the youthful rebellion and sacrifice in the cause of freedom. His name is commemorated in various forms across India, including schools, colleges, and streets named after him. Khudiram Bose's life and death reminds us of the immense sacrifice made by the countless young men and women in the struggle for India's independence.